Chevy 9, and then Selman 45 right now.
That's the male passenger, right up to me, 51.
Sheriff's 93 still eastbound North Frank, coming up from B Victor. Speeds are 150, road behind, driver's light.
The MD boy requires us to go gas station.
93, only coming up to you. Still northbound B Victor, coming up to King. Speeds are still 115. Roads are dry, traffic's light.
It's all hard. I know what to say.
Yeah. 393 ready.
93, took the curb, 1050, roll over, get ambulance and fire staged. 93, took the curb, 1050, roll over, get ambulance and fire staged.
You're not being dead! Oh!
We got two hands over here. Passenger, exit the rear window!
We can do better for our kids. And I'm sorry.
To support Children's Cancer Research Fund, a national nonprofit dedicated to ending childhood cancer that is on the front line of breakthrough.
Keep your hands up!
Clear the car before.
Hands up! Hands out! Hands out! Everybody's hands! Everybody's hands! Hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
Where's his other hand?
I can see he's holding a phone. He's holding a phone.
Okay. Holding a black cell phone.
This is my mom, okay? Drop the phone now. Let me see your hands. Drop the phone. Drop the phone.
Drop the phone.
Drop the phone.
Vape in the other hand. Vape in the other hand.
Drop
the items.
Drop the item so we can get you out.
Drop the. You
Drop
don't need
the
the
item.
vape. Drop the item.
I'll go with you. All right. You go with me, Glenn. With you. I got cover this way. Good.
Keep your hands up.
Keep going.
Oh, she's still talking.
Keep your hands up.
She's talking. Hey, don't cover her face like that. Don't cover her face.
What's your name? What's your name? Here. Go. Right there, Jeff.
Dude, what's your name?
Okay.
Hey, you got room to get him out of there?
Not yet. We're still cutting through. Cole, is it Cole? Ah! All right. Cole, keep stepping back. Keep your hands up.
The mail out, okay?
Male. Cole, keep coming back. Keep your hands up.
No, us.
Come on, please. Good.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Okay? Can you reach over to the other side?
Here, come here. Grab my hand.
Break hands, you guys.
Grab my hand.
Come on.
Stand.
I just got the
Legs up and lift up.